Daily News Updates by the Shipping Tribune. Here we bring to you the latest maritime daily news in a short form video format. Please subscribe for regular updates. Freight Market Scenario by Saigal Seatrade.
The Asia-Pacific Supramax market freight rates were mostly stable to slightly higher on April 15. The Asia-Pacific Panamax market freight rates were largely flat to softer on April 16.
India's ports to face trade storm due to US tariff turbulence, says Jefferies. According to a report by Jefferies, India's port sector, especially the container volume, is likely to be significantly impacted by the US tariff and the potential global growth slowdown. Container volumes at higher risk of potential global growth slowdown, said the report. Container has a higher correlation to global GDP growth, while volumes have a higher correlation to domestic GDP growth. The report, however, also noted that in India, the sector will see an investment of over $30 billion by FY30 as compared to less than $10 billion in the past decade. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port reports 3.75% drop in cargo handling in FY25, first decline since the pandemic. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port, Kolkata, has recorded a decline in cargo handling in FY 2025, the first drop after the pandemic, even as the twin port system spread across Calcutta and Haldia showed signs of pullback during the last quarter. The port handled 63.95 million tons of cargo in the year ended March 31st, down 3.75% from the record high of 66.44 million tons it achieved in the previous fiscal. In contrast, 12 government-controlled major ports cumulatively posted a 4.34% rise in cargo handling in FY25, and Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port was the only port other than Murmugao of Goa to experience deceleration. MSC steamrolls towards 1,000 ships. MSC has reached another milestone with an operated fleet of 900 box ships, according to Alpha Liner's report comprising 609 owned and 292 chartered vessels. Alpha Liner noted that the Geneva-based company has become the first global container line to reach such a fleet. The MSC's group-wide fleet also comprises ships of the Aponte family-controlled carriers Medlog, Log and Logistica, and WEC lines. India's exports to America, imports from China reach all-time high in 2024-25. The concerns over reciprocal tariffs kicking off on April 2nd seem to have resulted in a front-loading of shipments in March, with total exports to the US reaching an all-time high of $86.51 billion in 2024-25. According to provisional trade data released by the Commerce Ministry, imports from China also surged to a record high of $113.45 billion in the last financial year. Indian exporters shipped goods worth over $10 billion to the US in March alone, which represents a sharp jump of 35% compared to March last year. Overall, total goods exports remained flat. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the Shipping Tribune YouTube channel if you haven't already.